The kids were wanting you to tell them about the man that stood on the burning deck.
Sheep were burned with blisters.
Yeah.
Fire burned his trousers off, and now he wears his sisters.
Yep. And then Aaron said something about a worm. But first you...
No, nobody likes me. Everybody hates me. I'm gonna see some worms. Great big fat ones, little bitty teeny ones, itchy bitty fuzzy wuzzy worms. First you bite the heads off, then you suck the guts out. Oh, how they wiggle and squirm. Great big fat ones, itchy bitty teeny one, itchy bitty fuzzy wuzzy worm.
That's awesome. And then the scout oath, on my honor. The funny one you always do. On my honor, I will
do my best to feed myself and starve the rest.
Yeah. That's the one.